miles an hour already this morning through Eloquent International, and small red warning. In fact, early this afternoon, while a thunderstorm advisory has been issued from this afternoon through tonight. Drivers here indicating some lightning showers around Bermuda and a dissipating front eastward now. This regard to the area provides weather to the area right now. Radar, Bermuda Weather Service radar indicating rain active right over Bermuda and a northeast southwest band that basically is about 75 miles wide. So for the rest of the day, to expect to see showers and an isolated thunder shower possible. Now this front moving through is going to stall yet on top of us all the way through daybreak Thursday. Then it gets pushed from behind by a strong eastern U.S. high pressure system, funneling in showery, breezy, cooler, kind of nasty weather here. Yet Thursday into Thursday night, Friday, a second front, more showers, more wind, and yet over the weekend, it looks like the weather's going to settle down Saturday. But then on Sunday, a new storm system coming out of the southeast U.S. funnels in and approaching rainy, windy, warm front Sunday night, followed by a cold front, wind, rain, storms, horrible weather early next week. But for the rest of the day, we got showers, a straight thunder shower possible, blustery, high temperature of around 73 Fahrenheit, 23 Celsius, with tonight through tomorrow night.